Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If your Windows 11 PC is feeling struggling, it might be because of unnecessary background services eating up your system resources. So in this video, I will show you some Windows services you can disable to free up your RAM, reduce CPU load and speed up your computer. So let's dive right in to boost your PC speed. So first step is disable Windows Update Delivery Optimizations. So this service shares Windows Update file with other devices using bandwidth and system resources. Why disable it? If you are not using multiple devices, it's just slowing things down. How to disable this? So first of all, you have to go to settings, then you have to go to Windows Update and you will find the advanced option. Just click on it and you will find, then you have to find the device optimizations and just click on this, and there you have choose allow downloads from other devices. You have to just turn it off. If you turn this on, your device may spend parts of previously download Windows updates and apps to device on your local network on the internet. So you have to just turn this thing off. Okay, so it can boost your speed. So this is an instant reduction in background activity. Okay, so next step is disable Windows update services. So what is this? Automates Windows updates. So why you disable it? If you prefer manual updates, dropping these services frees up system resources. So how to disable? You have to just open the run. So for it, you have to click on Windows plus R and then type services.msc and press OK. Now scroll down to find Windows Update. Yes, and then right click and go to its properties and just click on the disable or stop option. So you have to just clear startup and you have to just disable, and then you have to just click on stop. Okay, so now this Windows Update service is disabled. To just apply and OK. Now your CPU is less drained. So if you want to need this again, so you have to just come back here and just right click on it and go to its properties and just select the startup type and select the automatic or delete start. So just select it and then just apply it, and on the start, then start click, and then your Windows Update service is running. So I prepared you to stop this and make this disable. So that's how your PC performance can boost. Now step 3 is uninstall Copilot. So what is this? Copilot provides AI power assistance, but if you don't use it, it can eat up RAM. So why disable it? Free up processing power. So how to disable Copilot? You have to then open the settings and go to the apps, select installed apps and find Copilot, or you can search here. Copilot, and you can find it and just click on it, and then you have to just uninstall it. That's an easy way to clear up RAM instantly. Now move to the next step is disable Windows search. So why disable it? If you rarely search for files, this service takes up unnecessary CPU and RAM. So how to disable it? You have to just open the run. So for it, you have to click on Windows plus R and then type service.msc and press enter again, and you will find Windows search, and then just right click on it and go to its properties. See here startup type, just same way, disable it and stop it. Okay, so now apply and OK. You won't even notice it's gone, but it is a very high impact on your system or boost up your system performance. Okay, now go to the next step, disable remote desktop services. What is does? Allows remote access to your PC. Why disable it? If you never use remote access, turning this off improves security and system performance. So how should we do? We should again Windows plus R, same way like we did previously. Then you have to services.msc, you have to just click on it and you have to locate remote desktop services. Yeah, we found remote desktop services. You have to right click on it and go to its properties and just set it disable and click on apply and then okay. So step 6 is disable sysmain. What is this? Preloads frequently used application into RAM. Why disable it on SSD? It increase CPU load without improving speed. So how to disable it? Same way, just open the run. So for it, you have to click on Windows plus R and then type service.msc and press enter again. And the sysmain, just right click on it and go to its properties, and you have to just select startup and click on disable and make sure you have to stop it. After that you have to click apply and then okay. So final step is restart for max performance. Now these services are disabled. Restart your PC to apply the changes. So that's it. Your Windows PC should now run smoother with less CPU and RAM being used. Which service slowed down your PC the most? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never struggle with PC performance again.
New comeback, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today.